Let's talk about the best ways to care for your Juzo compression garment. To maintain therapeutic effectiveness and prolong the life of your garment, we recommend the following. To keep your garment in its original shape and size, machine wash and dry it every day, preferably in a garment bag. Use the lowest permanent press setting and be sure to wash with light colors. Use Juzo washing detergent or another mild soap. Do not use bleach, chlorine, fabric softeners, or any other laundry additive. When putting on your compression stocking, we recommend using the latex-free Juzo donning glove to keep jewelry and your fingernails from damaging the fabric. The Juzo Slippy Gator and Easy Pad are also helpful devices to assist you putting on and taking off your garment. Both the Juzo donning gloves and Slippy Gator with Easy Pad are sold separately. For more information about compression products, visit juzousa.com or juzo.ca. If you need additional help or have any other questions regarding your Juzo compression garment, please contact our patient helpline.